How to delete ignored friend request from Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to learn on how you can delete the ignored friend request on Snapchat. So if you want to remove those ignored requests that people have sent you, I'll show you how to do it step by step. First, open your Snapchat application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, once you're in the home page, tap on your profile picture or the avatar icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now scroll down and tap on Add Friends, which is under the Friends section. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on Friend Request I have ignored. Here you will see the list of people that you have ignored. So in order to delete someone from the list that you've added on your Snapchat, you can tap and hold on to their name and then tap on Remove Friend or Block. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.